In today's lesson, I would like to talk about tone changes of Chinese. Each Chinese character has its tone, but sometimes the tone changes when it comes to a certain condition. And I would like to first talk about two special words of Chinese. The first word is bu. Bu. Okay. The word bu is originally fourth tone. Bu. But the tone changes when it comes to some situation. Before that, I would like to show you 4 different words of Chinese. 酸, 甜, 苦, 辣. One more time. 酸, 甜, 苦, 辣. The 4 words represents sour, sweet, bitter, and spicy. 4 flavors. So, if you put 不 with 酸, 甜, 苦, 辣, 4 different words and 4 different tones, that will be 不酸, not sour. 不酸. As you can see, 不 stays the same when it goes with the first tone. 不酸. 不甜, not sweet. 不甜. So the word 不 also stays the same. 不苦. 不苦. Okay, not bitter. Also, the word 不 stays the same tone. 不辣. 不辣. See, the word 不 changes, become 不. So the original 4 tone has become the second tone. And 不辣, not spicy. As you can see, the word 不 means not, and it's usually the 4th tone. But when it's attached with another 4th tone, 不 changes to the second tone. 不. And the other word is 一. 一. The word 一 originally means 1 in Chinese. So when you say number 1 or 1 in Chinese, we say 一. 一 is the first tone. 一. Okay. We'd also use 酸甜苦辣. But when 一酸, 一甜, 一苦, 一辣 combines together, it doesn't mean anything. I just want to use 酸甜苦辣 as 4 different tones attached with the word 一. Okay, now let's get started. 一酸. 一酸. See, when 一 with 酸, the word 一 becomes the 4th tone. So we say 一酸. We don't say 一酸. No. We say 一酸. 一酸. 一甜. 一甜. Also change to the 4th tone. 一甜 when it comes with the second tone. 一甜. 一甜. 一苦. 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 When 一 comes with the 3rd tone, 苦 also becomes the 4th tone. 一苦. And 一辣. 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 I change the 一 to the second tone when it goes with the 4th tone. So basically, 一 changes every time when it comes with different tones of Chinese after. So now you know 不 and 一 are very special for Chinese tone changing rules. When we say 谢谢, 谢谢, 妈妈, 妈妈, 爸 爸爸 爸爸 If you take a closer look at my Chinese character, you will see that 谢谢 they are actually two exact the same words, and they are together become a vocabulary. So a Chinese vocabulary is usually consist of two Chinese characters. So the two Chinese characters, 谢谢, they are exactly the same. But originally, you should say 谢谢 like this. But we're not saying that. Why? Because tone change rules. So the rule is when the vocabulary is with two words and the second character is the repetition of the first character, and then the second character has to change to a neutral tone. Okay, so the second word, if it is the repetition of the first word, and it has to change to a neutral tone. So we don't say 谢谢, no. Instead, we say 谢谢, 谢谢, and then we have mother, mama, mama. We don't say mama, not really. Mama, mama, that's mother. And 爸爸, 爸爸, that's father. 爸爸, we don't say 爸爸, no. Okay? And we also had like a little brother, 弟弟, 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 and older sister, 姐姐, 姐姐, 姐姐. One more time. 姐姐. Alright? I hope you understand. And the last tone changing rules. I know, we are getting finished here, okay? Just one last tone changing rules, okay? The last one tone changing rule is when two characters are together and there happens to be the third tone and third tone together, and you have to change the first word to the second tone. What do I mean by that? Let's take one example. If you want to say hi, in Chinese we say 你好, 你好, 你好. Okay, 你 is the third tone, the lowest point of your voice range, remember? 你, 你. 好 is also the third tone, 好. So originally you should say 你好, but how can you do that? So here comes the tone changes, because it's impossible to say 你好, 你好. It's like a robot. So we change, okay? So when two third tones are together, we say second tone and third tone. 你好, 你好. Okay, let me use the other hand. 你好, 你好. We don't say 你好. We say 你好, 你好. See, that sounds softer. That's a classic example of this tone changing rules. 你好, 你好. How about we want to say beautiful girl? We say 美女, 美女. Because originally it was 美女. Okay, we don't do that. So we say 美女, 美女, 美女. Alright, that's all for today for all the tone changing rules. I hope you are still there and watch. Please keep up the good work, and if you have any question, please write me your question. I'll answer your question personally. Until then, keep up the good work. See you next time. 加油，再见。